Bitcoin Cash free crypto TradingView tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to find the price of the Bitcoin Cash crypto, go to TradingView.com, and once open up and loaded, go to the middle hand of the screen and type in Bitcoin space Cash. Now you can click all, or you can scroll to the right and click on the crypto tab. Now it's highlighted, so it's now condensed, and as you can see, we have a couple different options. You can click the first option of Binance or the second option of Coinbase. We're going to click the first option of Binance launch chart. Now you are successfully seeing the price of Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency or Tether US. If you go to the top left hand screen, you can see the ticker symbol, the time frame, and the current company, or what the ticker symbol is displaying under here. In this case, it's Binance. We even have the volume right here. As you can see, as I'm moving my mouse, you can see the volume changing. Bonus tip, if you go to the top right hand screen, click this notepad icon. Now you see the price of Bitcoin Cash USDT, the volume. If you scroll down, you can see the technicals and all the other key stats and metrics. Last but not least, you can scroll down and scroll up right here on the price, and you can even scroll down and scroll up. And if you go to the top left hand screen, click next to the plus icon and the candlestick icon, scroll down. We're currently on the 1-day chart, so we're seeing a candlestick for every single day of Bitcoin Cash. Now you can even click the 1-month chart, and as you can see now, if we scroll and scroll, we're now seeing a candlestick of Bitcoin Cash for every month, or we're seeing the bigger time frame picture on TradingView completely for free.